welcome to my channel. So today here's the thing. I have been getting frustrated with a couple of my subscription boxes, not gonna lie. Not because of them, but I'm getting the same things, and I've already been through that company now a year, and I feel like that as much as I love that company, it's probably better for me to hold on to my money for now. Plus, those boxes aren't getting a whole lot of views. And pick up a couple of new boxes that might get some new views. So, for today's video, I actually did pick up a box. It's called a Snack Crate. And we're going to open this and see what's in it. Now, this box was, I think, I haven't paid for it yet. I mean, this is just a sample. But I'll get it next month. I think it's like $30 or $25. It's snacks from like different countries. I didn't pick a country. I had an option to pick a country. I actually didn't pick a country. I let them just randomize it for me. And it comes with a drink. This one does. I did pay the $6 more to get the drink. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we get. So it says, beat the heat, want more snacks from Poland. So snackcrate.com Poland, and you can get more treats. I got Poland, guys. Yay! I have absolutely no idea what this means. Oh, look, I got little stickers too. That is awesome. And a sticker that says Snack Crate. So let's see what we got. I'll show you what the inside looks. It says, welcome to this month's snacking adventure. Get social with us. Share your snack experience at #SnackCrate. So, that is so neat. Oh, look at it. I don't want to destroy it too much. My boyfriend will be super excited when he gets home. So in my box, it looks like I got waffle. It looks like it's a rice cake with like milk chocolate. Yeah, it is. Rice cakes with milk chocolate. Belgian milk chocolate too. I have gotten these. They say aha. It says sesame seed stacks. I have no idea how to pronounce that. I'm so sorry. But it looks like a nut cookie. Oh, here it is. It says it is a delicious cookie with caramel, hazelnuts, and rice crisps and milk chocolate. My drink is this. It says that it is, I have no idea. I have to read somewhere. It's all in Polish. I have no idea. Water, sugar, white orange aid is what it says. So I guess it's orange, just an orange drink, maybe. So, yeah, we'll give that a try. I am going to be sampling all these snacks. Maybe all not today. I might film them in succession and then upload the video. I'm not sure. But here's this. It says it is Lango Dana. It doesn't really tell me what it is. I don't see anything in it to tell me what it is. It looks like it's primarily all in Polish. So I have no idea what that is. I can't even, it just looks like it's a cookie of some kind. Ooh. A chocolate bar. I don't have to know Polish to know what a chocolate bar is. I think it's dark chocolate, actually. It is. It's dark chocolate. So I got a dark chocolate bar. And I have 3 of these. It says fresh fruity. They're just little fruit pieces. I think these 2 are the same flavor. Oh no, this looks like a pineapple. This one looks more like orange or raspberry. Maybe kiwi. These look similar in color. These might be the same flavor, but this one's definitely not. But this is an orange, and this one's a raspberry, and this one's a pineapple. And the last thing in here is this item. It looks like these are just sugar sour straws. Usually anything that has that kind of sugar stuff on it is either sour or very sugary. And it says on the back, rainbow colored fruity jellies, super sour. So that is the box. There's nothing else in here. I will put it all back in, and then I'm going to hold it up and show you guys what it looks like. And then we're going to take a hot break, and I will come back and try a few of these. We'll try probably a gummy. The sesame seed snack, definitely try this. A little bit of the chocolate. I got to get a cup for this. I got my cup. I just want to put a little bit of ice in it. So I will show you what it looks like inside the box, and then we're going to take a break. Well, I'm going to take a break, but I'll be back. So that's what it looks like inside the box. Let me take the waffle out. Ooh. All right, and I will be back. So let's try a waffle. What it looks like. It's just a rice cake with some chocolate on it. Ooh, and it's falling apart. I'm just going to try a piece. Not bad. Not bad at all. So in this, I found an actual description of them that says it's a crispy rice waffle coated with a layer of decadent Belgian chocolate mix. It is very good. Okay, let's try a little bit of this sesame seed treat. This says it is sesame seed. That's all it says it is. Oh, there's like 3 little ones in here. A little bit like peanut brittle, but not peanuts. Not bad. I'll use that one. This says it is a Polish gingerbread treat made from a recipe over 700 years old. A simply timeless recipe. So I was right, it was a cookie. Ooh, and it's soft a little bit. Like I went to break it and it's not like super crunchy. Not bad. You can definitely taste the spices in that. Let's try one of these sour things. It's got a promo on here for a win the PlayStation 4 thing. I'm going to open the corner. They say they're straws. But I don't know if I can get just one out. I'm going to try though. Oh, they're like little flat pieces of... Oh. Look at that. Taste the rainbow, huh? A little bit like taffy. Let's open this guy. Now I'm getting kind of thirsty. That's more sweet than sour. This smells like orange soda, but it's clear. This is good. It literally just tastes like orange sparkling water. And I don't know what's in it. Like how many sugars are in it or anything. 8.6 carbohydrates. Oh, it's an energy drink. Oh. Does it say it's supposed to be an energy drink? This bubbly orange flavored soda is a favorite of all ages throughout. Its slogan, which translates to "You praise someone you do not know you own." Just says it's an orange soda. Maybe that is sugar that it has in it. Usually sugar's the first thing. No, there's sugars. 8.6 grams of sugar. I don't know, but it tastes good. I don't know why it says energy on it. We're going to sit it over there. I do not drink a whole lot of energy drinks, so I'm going to be careful with that. Let's see. Let's try a piece of this because I don't really like nuts. So this is going to be a real test if it's really good stuff. I do like the chocolate. Of course, I'm going to like the chocolate bar. I'm going to like anything that has the chocolate. The rice things are really good. Let's try a piece of this. I'm going to break off a piece. Not overly snacky, but at the same time, I just want to try it all. So it does look like just a cookie with chocolate on it. Doesn't have an overly nutty taste. And primarily, it tastes like Nestle's Crunch except with a cookie in it. And last thing, I'm going to try one of these fruity things. I'm going to try this one. Because I think that this one's going to be like a raspberry. I could be completely wrong. I'm going to see if you can actually tell. It's got that coagulated sugar all over it. Like, that all gummies have. It does taste like red raspberries. Like, hugely like red raspberries. Okay. Overall, the gummies are okay. I don't feel a need to open this, but I will anyway because I get chocolate. Let's see if I can break off a piece. Ooh, they come in little squares. I can tell. Like just little squares. They break really easily. Straight up this dark chocolate. I do like it. It's new treats. I like the rice cakes, surprisingly. Like I said, these sesame things just taste like peanut brittle in a weird way. The orange soda is the only miss for me, but it's because it's a reminiscence of like a sparkling water, and there's not many sparkling waters that I like. Most of these snacks were chocolate heavy, which Poland, so chocolate. I do like it. Overall, I like the box. I had a great time opening it. I had a great time trying it out. Like I said, I'll leave a link in below where I got it from if anybody wants to try it. This was only a starter box, so I didn't pay as much for it, but I am going to drop out of one of my boxes and probably pick this one up, so I'll probably have it next time. Oh, I like the fun facts. Fun fact. Poles eat pizza with ketchup. The most world's strongest man winners are from Poland. Poland is one of the few countries in the world where courteous hand kissing is still a common practice. Poland has more than 17 Nobel Prize laureates. Of these 4 were for peace prizes and 5 in literature. The name Poland originates from the tribe Poline, which means people living in open fields. I have never been overseas, I'm not gonna lie. But I do like the architecture in this one right here. Kind of thinking, hey, that'd be a really great Sims building. Maybe I should try to build it on the Sims. I probably would not do very well. Most of my Sim builds are just boxes with roofs. But that was my snack crate for this month. Like I said, it's just a trial. I will try out next month. I had him pick one. You know, I had a choice between, I think it was Denmark and Ireland. And I just said pick for me. So I'm not mad at my choice for them to pick for me. It was very much a nice box, but it's very chocolate heavy, very sweet heavy. So yeah, I am gonna go eat my granola and my yogurt. And you guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Keep up to date for any new videos coming out. I do some Let's Plays. I'm doing the Asylum Let's Play right now. Starting on the 1st, starts subscription boxes. So in about a week or so, I'll start subscription boxes again. I don't know which one will send first. But yeah. And as always, have a great day. Bye.